Alright, good morning everyone. It's about 6:30 a.m. right now, and we're gonna head out to a bunch of different places today to hopefully capture some beauty in the world. And this is the first episode in the Our Earth series. I'm super excited. I'm tired right now. I worked all week, but finally got a day off, and we're gonna just go out to a bunch of beautiful areas, not 10 minutes away from my house. Just shoot some beauty in the world. Oh, Jesse, so cute. So let's get right into it. Hum Jesse, hum Jesse. I'm so tired. All right, let's head out there. Alright, we're now at our first location. As you can see, it's beautiful in the background there. There's some awesome fog coming up over this bridge, around this bridge, under this bridge. And this is the Forest Hill Bridge, if you did not know. Oh my gosh, this should be like my opening scene, something, because this shit is beautiful right now. All around me is just pure beauty. You're gonna get this. How can I got my drone in my hand and everything, so kind of having troubles here, guys. Yes. That sky is turning. Holy shit, people fly down this road. Look at that. Oh my gosh. See some of that fog over there? Gosh, I'm so excited to drone this right now. This is why I'm here at sunrise. So today is in fact daylight savings day, which means clocks went forward an hour. So my alarm went off at 6:30, and I'm here now at 7:30 capturing this beauty. All right, I'm gonna just show a little bit of this beauty right now and stop talking and just capture what I can. Woo! It is getting very beautiful outside. I am so excited right now. As you can see, the fog is rolling in hot right now. I just got some of the coolest drone footage that I've probably ever gotten. Let me get a really cool background. Seriously, some of the coolest drone footage I've ever gotten with this fog, with the trees, with obviously the bridge. That thing is awesome. But there's a river down there that we're actually gonna head to next. I think we might go get some coffee. Actually, no, I have coffee. Got some coffee. Let's do that. We might go hang out, figure some things out before the next shoot. Right now, I don't really know because this fog just came in. Super foggy, probably really foggy down there though. This might turn into like some kind of horror movie, you know, shoot. But holy Jesus, it is beautiful out here. It's getting a little chilly, so I'm gonna pack up my stuff and head to the next shoot. Let's go. I missed it there. Yeah. Wait, can we just take it? Look how eerie that is. Look how creepy this place is. heading down there. All right, we're almost there, guys. We're going down there. Wow. Whoa, that's sick. Hey, party people! Yeah, so I brought so much stuff out me to the river right there. I brought my drone, my gimbal, my bigger camera. Things that's just like, man, bringing this vlogging camera, it's just like extra work, just too much. I feel like I just got a workout right there. I probably hiked a mile and carried like 20 pounds just in my arms right there. But I got some amazing shots, and here are a few of those shots for you lovely